Hello everybody, I'm Brian from How to Automotive, and today I wanted to talk to you about overselling and underselling your customers. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so overselling is a pretty obvious one. I won't go too deep into it or harp on it too much, but overall it's a bad thing if you're overselling a job. Your customer are selling stuff that your customers don't need, or services they don't need, or bumping up labors and stuff like that just to make a few extra bucks. We all know that that's not the right thing to do, but what I really wanted to talk to you about is underselling work. So underselling, in my opinion, can be really bad for the customer, for the shop, and for everybody. And a lot of times I see the underselling done because the technician is lazy and they don't want to write the work order up, or they don't want to do that repair. They just repair they're not comfortable doing. Now that's another topic for another video, of doing repairs that you're not comfortable doing. But to not write it up, not document it, and not present it to the customer is a problem, because what if they go down the street and they have a major issue that stalls out in the middle of an intersection, they're involved in a car wreck. When you could have told them about it, they could have made arrangements to have it fixed in another shop if you didn't want to take care of it, or you could have taken care of that yourself. So that right there is worth writing it down, documenting it, and attempting to sell the work. The other point I wanted to bring up is the customer's time is valuable. So it's difficult for me to take a day off to go to the doctor. Imagine if you have to take a day off to come to your repair shop and drop the car off. There's a lot involved. It may involve getting off of work early, going to work late, all those factors. So when the vehicle's in your bay and you have the opportunity to do a complete inspection on the car and find everything it needs, it's your job to write it up and document everything. And it's up to the customer if they want to choose to do the work or not to do the work. That's on them. But if you didn't recommend the work and then they go 2 days later have a problem that you saw, that could be a major problem for them, and it may be a reason why they will not return to your shop and come back. So writing that stuff up, documenting it, attempting to sell the work, and if you're not comfortable with the work, recommend it to another shop that is better suited at repairing that type of repair, whatever that may be, such as an engine job or whatever. So I encourage you guys to do your best you can to write those customers up, sell those jobs, and if you're not comfortable doing the jobs, pass it off to the right person, the right shop to do that job. So if you send a shop work that you're not comfortable doing, there's a good chance they're going to send you work back in return. So working together with other shops can be a benefit too. I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.